The 7 levels of crypto traders. Level 1, the normie. This is when you just dipped your toes into the crypto world. Now for this level, there's 2 types you could spawn as. On one hand, we have the giga normie. That's someone who's heard about crypto from their daily media consumption such as news outlets, a random post from TikTok or Twitter, or their favorite YouTube content creator. And on the other, we have the gamer normie. This is your typical nerd that plays video games who's probably dabbled in games that have an in-game currency and understands a simple gamified economy. The gamer normie has the upper hand over the giga normie. He most likely has an online friend that sold some skins or items for Bitcoin, or even got a shipment or 2 from Silk Road. Level 2, the noob. Here is when you start getting sucked down the black hole of crypto. At this level, you probably started watching a podcast or read a book or blog, and you've taken your first step to becoming a Bitcoin maxi. This is when you begin consuming more crypto content via Reddit, 4chan, Twitter, YouTube, or literally anywhere else you can find information. You could still use some overall guidance from a guru, but hey, at least you've obtained enough knowledge to just be able to understand the CT memes. Level 3, the crypto connoisseur. At this level, your normie friends cannot relate to you anymore. You spend countless hours on YouTube learning technical and fundamental analysis, start following news events, geopolitics, macroeconomics, and you become a self-proclaimed day trader. Even though you ain't making money yet, think you're Ray Dalio and you deserve a whole section of Wall Street. At some point on this journey, you begin digging into the top 100 altcoins and get introduced to Doge and Shiba. You know how vegans feel like they have to tell everyone that they're vegan? This is similar to what you become, because you have to let everyone know you trade meme coins. So then you update your Twitter bio to something like meme coin lover, doggy coin maxi, hashtag Doge, hashtag Shiba. Some people might even hang an Elon Musk poster in their room and follow everything he does on Twitter. Level 4, a full-time degenerate. At this stage, you've reverted to your primitive being and fully unlocked your monkey brain. Personal hygiene? Psh, that's beneath you. Your days usually start by going straight to your desk without being bothered to get the crust out your eyes. You might even have slept there and drooled all over your keyboard. Shit, if Harambe was still alive, he'd probably be taking more baths than you during this time. Getting to this point means you've fried your dopamine receptors and developed a full-on gambling disorder, as that's the only thing that can provide you with pleasure and satisfaction. You start referring to yourself as a blockchain hunter as you dedicate your entire being towards crypto trading. Crypto becomes your social life and you spend your days shit posting with your coworkers on Discord and Telegram. Somewhere along the line, you meet a fork in the road. You can either become a shitcoin degen or a JPEG junkie. This level is the absolute grindiest, and most people get stuck here for the rest of their crypto careers. Level 5, the builder. Looking to add to your income streams and maximize your time in the markets, you decide to employ yourself into the crypto workforce. Could be a project moderator, a GFX artist, a website developer, or any other freelance opportunity. You may not have those skills, so you might start a Telegram call channel to promote shady shit coins in exchange for supply that managed to magically disappear from your wallet after your call, or you sell overpriced useless DEX tools, trending spots, and backdoor exchange listings. The builder tries to contribute back to the blockchain universe while convincing themselves that they're morally ethical in the zero-sum game. They will swear on their mothers that they can create something valuable for others within the community. Nobody knows if they're lying to the world or lying to themselves. Level 6, the coder nerd. In the crypto world, there's this meme about how much money you can make based on your IQ. Either you're on the low end and you make all the money, or you're on the high end and you also make all the money. No in between. If you made it this far, it's safe to say you are gonna make it. Level 6 is when you start learning code to read contracts, maneuver around anti-bot, hunt new deployments, scout potential exploits, anything that can give you the slightest edge. This level has the highest earning potential, and you utilize this code literacy to capitalize on that. From here, you either become a developer or just keep the knowledge to yourself and continue to compound your profits from your degen activities. Or if you possess a massive brain, you take it as far as becoming a white hat hacker. Level 7, the exit scammer. Reaching this stage means greed has consumed you, and your moral compass, that shit does not exist. It's so far gone, somebody else has it. This is when people start scheming on how to scam as many people as possible and vanish like Houdini right after. While these can be relatively small scale like the NFT ruggers from Squiggles or Pixelmon, there's the Goliaths on the other end of the spectrum like Do Kwon, Zushu, or Sam Bankman-Fried. Level 7 is when you've somehow managed to raise millions, hell, even billions for your Ponzi, and you abandon ship when the first domino falls. If you're here, there's a 99% chance the feds come knocking in a few years. All your hard-rugged earnings will go into preventing you from getting snatched by the booty bandits. You might even be cellmates with Sam. Be sure to sleep with one eye open around that guy. As you sit in your cell, you may be regretting your life decisions by now, but at least you made it in a Zach XBT tweet and a CoffeeZilla video.